Hey guys, what's up, what's up? Yeah man, today I'm gonna do some Jamaican street food. So I'm in the process of cleaning up my chicken neck and chicken back because that is what I am going to use. But you don't know, I know inside me I stay now. I just clean it up and clean it up on the inside. We're going to back shortly. So yeah man, this is it. Then throw some lime on it and wash them properly and head round a back. So this is it guys, Jamaican street food. Yeah man, that me gonna do today. Alright now guys, so this is our chicken neck and chicken back, nice and clean, and I put it to drain. Yeah, to drain off some of the water before I dash some seasoning. But I'm going to carry it around the back and season it up because a backyard I do it in the cool breeze here. Sun hot, hot like a fire down a yard here. But guess what? Some nice cool breeze I blow, you see man. So we can't miss out on those nice cool breeze, you know. The cool breeze they blow, we can't miss out on them. So we're going around the back to enjoy the nice cool breeze and enjoy our street food with chicken neck and chicken back. Yeah man. Yes guys, so we are on the outside. As I tell you, I did just clean up my meat inside and then I come out on the outside. So if you hear any noise, any dog barking, car horn tooting, anything at all guys, you don't know, I'm on the outside, we're on the backyard here. Yeah, so as I mentioned before, street food style, and that we're going to do. So I'm going setting up this. You know, I'm going to need my file paper, my ketchup, and my hot pepper sauce. So I'm going to go ahead now and throw on some seasoning pan with chicken. Yeah, me talk about chicken, eh? Pan with chicken back. With chicken back and with chicken neck. So this is some black pepper we are dash on, right? Alright, and we are dash on some all-purpose seasoning. The breeze nice around here, see man? The breeze just a blow the season, so whoa. Yeah? Eat that, and we're going to dash on a little salt. Can't left off with salt. We don't want it too salt, we just want just about the right amount of salt on it. So last but not least, I'm going to dash on a little, this thing here guys, a little egg powder, just to give it a little color. That's when it fry, it have this nice color. Alright, I eat that. Alright, so I'm just going to go in and give this a nice mix to combine all of that season that you just throw on this meat here. So we need to rub this good rubber dub, you know. Connect up everything. Alright now peeps, so this is it. Our chicken neck and chicken back, yeah. Just done season, so we'll leave it to get a little marinade, you know. Fire light, everything mucho. My frying pan is on the fire, and the fire going with a whole heap of things guys, see it there? Blazing. So we're gonna just go some booms and toss out some oil in that. Yeah, we're going to leave that and let that get really hot. We need that to get really hot. Alright, now that our oil is really hot, firing hot guys, I'm going to drop in my chicken back first thing first. Nice hot oil. I don't want them to fry crispy and nice. gonna cook that. Alright now guys, so we just have a turn so that the other side of our chicken back can nicely, so this is nicely brown. Yeah, and we just want the next side to nicely brown as well. Alright, so eat that, leave that to nicely brown up. Alright now, so we're going to remove these.
Show these are picking up and just turkey neck. You can pour for me. Right. Can you imagine?
So you put a little chicken neck then.
These look like turkey neck.
No, it's not. And you know I don't like turkey neck. I don't eat turkey neck. What's up? Alright, so we're just adding some more of our chicken neck to the hot oil. And oil hot enough. And oil flash on. Bun you see a bun. So then so you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. Alright now my peeps, this is our street food, our chicken neck and chicken back, yeah, fried chicken neck and chicken back. So I'm going to just cut it up and now and dash and we ketchup and with pepper, like we out a street, yeah man. And We're going to dash on a piece of white bread with it too. Street thing. And they say them man, it finish right about now, you know. Yeah man, just ready for eat. Yeah. Alright now, so I just going to do some, what you call this now? Sugar and water? Or lemonade? Which one of them? Yeah, so we just going to do a little something to wash down our nice chicken neck and chicken back right about now. Alright. So we're going to just throw in the sugar in the water right here now. Yeah. Squeeze the lime. I don't want the lime seed or any of the lime particles in my juice, so yeah. That's the reason why I'm using the strainer. But when my dad used to make this, you know, he not use a strainer. A man just goes up booms and just squeeze out a lime in him lemonade and make him lemonade. And that's it. No bother with no strainer. The strain nothing. So we just have to mix him up here now. Good old lemonade. Growing up, you know, they used to say sugar and water. I guess when no lime not in it, them call it sugar and water. But I guess when you put your lime in it, it becomes lemonade. So this is a good old lemonade. Nice drink to mix and drink in the summer too. Refreshing. Thirst quencher. Thirst cooler. Alright, so I'm just going to pour my lemonade in the jar right here in this big juice jar. But I'm going to use my cheesecloth to strain it. Because you know the sugar sometimes have some little stuff in it, you know, when you really want that when we are drinking. We just want to enjoy our lemonade. Come pour this. So we're going to pour right into our jar. Alright, so we're going to remove our cheesecloth right now. And you know what we're going to do next? We're going to just pour some nice ice cube in this now. Just to get it cool and refreshing. Now the hot summer. Nice refreshing lemonade. And to take his juice, his lemonade. First person to dive into the lemonade as it done mix. Him could have wait, you know?
Ah, that's a good memory you want to taste if it is same.
Could have wait, man.
Yeah? Wait, kill, man.
Alright now, guys, so yeah, man, I'm going to chop up my chicken back right about now on the neck. Chop up some neck with that as well. Like that. Alright, so we place this on our file paper now with some bread. How much slice of bread you want now, young man?
That's for me too.
Need a runway, alright. Booms and starch and some ketchup. Pepper sauce. How much slice of bread, young man?
2.
You want the bread in it or you want to wrap this in? Alright, come. Alright, come remove that and let me do the bread. Street food, I assure them, man. I eat that. Take your juice now. What is it?
Chicken back, man, to brother.
Chicken back.
Yeah, man. Good old chicken back.
Chicken back, brother.
Yeah, man. Get us steak.
Whoa!
You never know what I said name to.
Yeah. Right before I get a steak, of course, most definitely. Right, you say you want your chicken back, yeah. Nah, if your chicken
Yeah,
back.
I grew up on that, man. I shame you in me.
Nope. You want your chicken back.
Yes, brother.
Man, same now, if you chicken back, peeps. You want more chicken back?
Can't too much. Yeah, man.
Alright. Everything. Alright guys, this young man don't want his own cut up, so we're going to stash on some pepper sauce. Then we are going to stash on some ketchup as well. You know, I'm not in a cutting thing. No want him cut up at all, but yeah, I eat this backyard settings, street food, fried chicken back and chicken neck.
Booyah.
Booms with our ketchup. In with our pepper sauce as well.
Alright.
Man, feet will eat the pepper, you know. I run from pepper boat.
Yes, man. I will say outside. Summer thing.
Good old fried chicken back and neck.
I'll tell you. See color. Pretty and bright. Tastes just as good. If you have teeth though.
Your lemonade.
Yeah, some chicken on top of finger licking good.
Make you lick your fingers, sir, brother.
Call them my finger licking, man. The chef right up there. Save him. Every touch this, every touch your finger upon your tongue. Finger looking good.